Hey my friend, it's Al-Yassa here with today's tip, and that is that online shopping is a great passive income idea. Did you know that? Online shopping is a great passive income idea. So before we get started, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. And let's go into the question I got from one of my subscribers. And the question is, share a quick exercise or action step that that you can give me that'll help me get closer to my goal. Share a quick exercise or action step that'll help me get closer to my goal. Okay, so here's what I would recommend you do. Okay, I'll give you two things. Think about what it is you really, really want, right? So think about that, and then write it down 10 times a day for 30 days. It'll take you less than a minute. Write it down 10 times a day for 30 days, right? And then take action by clicking the link in the description here. So those are two actions you could take to help you get closer to your goals. Because I'm going to assume that you came across this video because you're looking for passive income, you're looking for a way to make money, and I'm sharing with you right now that online shopping is a great way for passive income, a great way for you to make money. Every single week, every single month, every single day. Okay, so for those two, my two tips are: write down what you really, really want, write it down 10 times a day for 30 days, and then also click the link in the description to help you get closer to what you want. All right, so again, just showing you different things that I buy on a regular basis, as I live life, and I'm able to get money on, not get money on, but I'm able to get paid off of. Also different stores here that I'm pretty sure you've gone to before. I get paid on these places every single time I shop. Not only when I shop, but as I help others learn this process as well, and you can too. And I simplified the process by making a done-for-you system. So there's a glimpse of what it looks like here. If you just click the link in the description, you can find out more about that. And I just hope that you enjoyed today's tip, and hope you realize that online shopping is a great way to make passive income. All right, it's a great passive income idea. Okay, my friend. So take care. Talk to you soon, and look for me in the next video. Bye bye.